Hey everyone, welcome back to Bar Run Forge. Got another survival kit review today. This one is from Harbor Freight. Stay tuned, check it out. I'm at the anvil today, my little tabletop to kind of go over this. Got this survival kit. This is from Harbor Freight, caught it on one of the sales most recently. So we're gonna do an unboxing and see what this thing is all about. All right, we're at my little makeshift table here, and today, also, another good pickup from Harbor Freight is this little multi-tool knife. Not part of the review, but it is handy. Got a good little box cutter there. Folds back up like this. You got a Phillips head screwdriver and flathead screwdriver there. And it's a locking carabiner, so you can put it wherever you need to go. So this is a handy little tool. We picked it up the other day and we'll use it to cut open our survival kit here. So let's cut this thing open and see what all the hype is about. Now obviously, if you haven't checked out already, I did a review of the survival kits from Walmart, and I mentioned if you guys liked it, I would go ahead and do the one from Harbor Freight as well. So here we are. The Gordon 12-piece emergency survival kit. So I'll set all that stuff to the side there. So they do a good job of marketing. They kind of display the front part there of everything that comes, kind of bigger items there in the front. So we'll get those out first and review. First thing we have here is a pocket knife. Pretty much the exact same one that's in the Walmart kits. I think they probably all just buy this from the standard same place. It looks almost identical, feels identical. It looks the same. It's got the window breaker here, seatbelt cutter here. Flips, folds out. This one is not spring assisted, so that is one knock against this knife, is that the Walmart ones were spring assisted. That one takes a little bit of work, but other than that, not too bad. Going on to the spoon spork whistle deal here. Same thing pretty much as last time. You got your can opener here, a little bit of serrated edge there, somewhat sharp. That's really not that sharp at all. So, kind of disappointed in that. That knife is not really useful. I mean, it is a knife, but it does not seem to have a very sharp edge on it. So, a little bit of a knock, but that's not too bad. And then your whistle part here, let's see if the whistle works. Not impressed. The whistle does not seem to be working well, unless I'm doing it wrong. But, yeah. Okay, so not super impressed with the spork knife here. Spork knife, whistle, whatever you want to call it. I assume this part you can eat with. That's one part they didn't fail, so that's a plus. Last part here, we'll go with the flashlight. So, okay, so it does retract, so that's good. Does it come with a battery? Nope. Let's open it up and find out. All right, how do you open this one? They've all opened up different ways. I have found that out. There we go. It feels heavy, like it's got a battery in there. It does. Ah, it does have a battery. Plus for Harbor Freight. Way to go, guys. Let's give him a second shot here. Are we ready? Ta-da! Zoo! Retractable. So you can widen or close in the beam there. You should be able to see that. So yeah, the flashlight works great. So +1 on that. They did include a battery. Now, let's get into what's inside the box.
What's in the box?
The box is definitely bigger. Oh, it's got openings on the ends. Hey, there you go. So the Gordon box is bigger than the one from Walmart. Not as big as the one that was in the bag, but it is bigger. So we got our survival kit instructions here. Keep away from children. There you go. That says it all. All right, so let's open it up and see what we got here. First and foremost, looks like this is the heated blanket, and I've got the list of parts here. So this is the, where is it at? Survival blanket, emergency blanket. So again, one of those things, if you're out in the cold, these things do work pretty well if you're in a pinch and need to keep your body temperature up and keep warm. So that's a plus. We won't open it up. We don't want to ruin it. Next up, we got the paracord bracelet, as everybody seems to put in here. So we got our ferro rod and our fire starter, or our kind of striker here. That one I'm seeing little sparks fly off. Hey, there we go. Probably shouldn't do this on a wooden table. That's good. Causes some sparks pretty easy. So yeah, the fire starter works. Got our compass there. Let's see if the whistle works on this. That's better. And if you're in a pinch, you got paracord on your wrist there, so easy access. So these come in handy. Up next, probably maybe my second least favorite item, is the bottle clip. Again, they're handy, but I'm not sure how handy it is. You take your bottle, put your bottle cap through there, boom, with that. And then this one's got a Velcro and a button, so you put it through your belt loop there, attach that. It does keep your hands free, so you're not holding on to your water bottle. So I guess it's a handy piece to have there. So I like that they're going with the green. I didn't plan that the theme was green and wear the green thing today, so that was unplanned. All right, this is probably my least favorite item in the whole box. On every box that they include is this goofy little rope saw. It doesn't seem sharp. It's good for maybe cutting a small limb, but I don't see a whole lot of use in having this little guy here. Again, on my other reviews, they were both in the Walmart ones. Not a fan of it, so whatever. They got those included. That's cool. All right, what do we got here? This is a baton, it looks like, or a, oh, you know what it is? It's a blow poke. So this can come in handy. It's a retractable blow poke. I want to see what they actually call this thing. Pocket bellow, same thing. We call it a blow poke in blacksmithing. So this is really handy because you can get it down really close into the fire and get it close to where you're trying to start the fire. Gets that direct air straight to your fire to help get it started quicker. So this is a handy piece. I don't think this was in the Walmart kit, so that's a +1 on them. I like that they include this. Up next, this is another piece I was kind of excited that I saw that the Harbor Freight ones include, is the fishing kit. So you've got some fishing line here, all reeled up, nice and neat, easy to use. I'm not going to open these up out of the bag just to keep them, kind of preserve them, but you got a little fishing hook here that is just big enough to go on your little gel bait here. These are nice, so quick and easy. Got your little tailspin bait, so that's a good little thing to have in there as well. Again, not in the Walmart kit, so glad they include that one. This one you've seen a dozen times, but again, it's included in the Harbor Freight kit, so we're going to review it. Get this all taken out here and then pop that off. We have our ferro rod and striker. Again, pretty common in these survival kits. They've all got the coating on there, so you have to work and get the coating off, but there you go. Throw sparks, does exactly what you need to. Can opener there. Again, you got your rod there. Cause sparks. Perfect. That's what it does. That's what it needs to do. Again, not my favorite thing in these kits, but they do include them, and I'm doing a review, so we're going to review them. The little survival card, what do they call them? The 7-in-1 card, saber card. Ooh, that's fancy. Call this one the saber card here. So you got your bottle opener there. Technically, you've got part here where you can use as like a wrench to tighten stuff down. You've got a ruler here, bottle opener there, can opener there, another little kind of pry for your can opener there, serrated edge, smaller piece for that, for like wrenches and stuff, and then you know, got a couple other pieces here. I'm not 100% sure what they use this for, maybe for the compass, I don't know exactly, but again, these little cards I guess are handy to have in here. Everybody includes them, so we'll put it back in the sleeve and be done with it. And then the last thing they have here, which I'm a fan of, are these little tactical pins. We'll see how these guys open. Are you click pin? Ah, twist, okay. Cool, so you got a tactical pin here. it does right. We're gonna assume. Look at there, you got a pin, so that's perfect. And then the other part about it is a tactical pin. You got a blunt side here with a little sharp point, so if you do need it in a pinch, you've got something there you can hit and jab with. So that's a handy piece. Again, here's the case for it. Case is pretty nice. It's a bigger case. Everything in here fits inside the case, so that's a big bonus in my book. So there you have it. We'll kind of go over my final thoughts of what I think of everything in here, kind of my dislikes and likes. Dislikes, the knife, again, kind of a cheapy knife, but it is a knife in a tough situation. You've got a knife in this box. That's good to have. The cheesy little card thing, I'm not a fan of it, but whatever. The rope saw, not a fan of it, but whatever. Those are kind of really my only things that I dislike about it. The things that I like about this one are the tactical pin is included on this one. So again, a good thing to have. The retractable bellows, or the blow poke as we like to call it, is a super handy piece, especially if you're in a situation where you need fire. This is definitely a little bit of a lifesaver. Yeah, the fishing kit, same thing. You've got a fishing kit ready to go if you're in an emergency situation and you're by water. That is a great thing to have on hand. Other than that, everything else is pretty standard, so I'm a fan of it. Again, likes and dislikes of it, take your pick, but all in all, I think in a survival situation, you would be better off to have this stuff than not. So again, good to have. The box on this one is large enough to fit everything, so everything goes inside here, and it is waterproof or water resistant, I would assume. So again, good thing to have. But yeah, like I said in the last video, in this one, it's a good thing to have. You know, I keep the one from Walmart in my car. I took those two packs and combined them together, stuck it in my car. Again, in an emergency situation or survival situation, it's in the back of my car, easily available. I can run out there and grab it real quick and use the tools that are in there if necessary. So again, I recommend them. You know, just have one of these in your car, or if you're out hiking or backpacking, camping, things like that. One of these is a quick throw in the bag. That way, if you do find yourself in an emergency or survival situation, you're prepared, and you at least have that advantage to have some of these tools on hand. So again, I'm a huge advocate for go out and find these. You know, the Walmart kits were good. You can find them on Amazon. Got this one at Harbor Freight. If you're near a Harbor Freight, run by and pick one up. I got this one on sale during one of the coupons. So I think normally they retail for about 30 bucks. You find it on sale every once in a while for 5 or 10 bucks off. Wait till the sale pops up, go grab you one, toss it in your car, and you're ready to go. So definitely recommend that. It's good to be prepared as always. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for checking out the video. If you like this content, please let me know down in the comments below. Let me know if you like this and want to see more. I know a couple people requested that they wanted to see me build one, go out and find the stuff that I would like to have in one of these little boxes to build a survival kit as well. Maybe a little different than the pre-made ones. So probably to come here soon. So be on the lookout for a potential video like that coming out here soon. Again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to do all the things like, share, subscribe. Check out our website, www.barrunforge.com. That's BARRUNFORGE.com. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. And of course, right here on YouTube. Guys, thank you so much. God bless, take care, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Every time. Now, where am I at? So yeah, it does have a flashlight, about the same as everybody else. I'm scratching my face while I'm doing this. Guess you didn't check the video before they sat down and cut off their own head. That's me, that's me. I screwed up. Take 2 for the entire freaking video. Here we go again. Thank you guys so much for checking me out. I don't like how I said that.